To request video or audio captions or transcripts for media that you are using in class, please navigate to pdx.edu/disability-resource-center. Navigate to the Forms and Agreements tab in the menu and select Form Request Accessible Media Faculty. Navigate to the Accessible Media Transcript Caption Request form. Please note that the DRC usually has a 5-day turnaround for all captioning and transcript requests. If you need a shorter turnaround, we will do our best, but you may need to provide a deadline extension for the student. Check the box indicating you have read and understand the information provided. Enter the course name and number. Please include the section number. Enter your name and contact information. We need this information so that we can contact you if there are any questions. Please provide the name of the student who will be using this accommodation. Tell us where the media will be viewed, in class, in D2L, online. Enter the title of the media clip. If there is a transcript available for the media, please provide the link. Let us know if you have already checked to see if the media is accurately captioned. Accurate captions are 99% accurate. Auto-captioned media is not considered accurate for our purposes. Do you own rights to the media? In other words, is this media that you have created yourself, or is this material that you have found online? Enter the title of the media. Enter the URL. Please enter only one title or URL at a time. Note that if your media is on a DVD, VHS, or other media device, enter NA in the URL field and make arrangements to deliver the media to the Disability Resource Center. Are you showing the entire video or playing the entire audio? If yes, we will provide captioning or transcript for the entire video or audio. If no, we will ask you to enter the start and stop times for the clip. Start and stop times should be entered in minutes and seconds. For example, from the start to 6 minutes 50 seconds would be 0.00 to 6.50. If you are showing several segments of the video or playing several segments of the audio, please enter all times you need in this field, separated by commas. If you are showing these sections on different days or different weeks, please include that information. Enter the date when you plan to show or use the media title. If you only have one item that needs captioning or transcript, you can navigate to the Send me a copy of my responses checkbox. If you have more media, you can enter up to 8 media at a time on this form before you navigate to the Send me a copy of my responses checkbox. If you want an email confirmation of your request, check the box and enter your email address. If you do not, simply leave the box unchecked. Navigate to Submit and select it when you are done. Once the form has been submitted, we will start work on your video or audio captioning and transcript request.
Contact the Access Services Coordinator at drcterp@pdx.edu or by calling 503-725-6504.